What's good, wonderful people? Welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be looking at Bitcoin as BTC USD, as I believe that in the coming week, Bitcoin could provide us with some good opportunity. Before I continue, I would like you to subscribe to the channel to eventually get more wonderful videos on this channel, and I would like you to like this video and also turn on your push notification to eventually enjoy future videos that will be dropping on this channel. So with that said, let's move to BTC USD. Starting off from the weekly time frame, what can we see? Clearly, if I zoom in, you see that after this huge rally right here, after we rallied up right here, Bitcoin has eventually been in this range, this channel. So we've not really had a clear movement to the downside, a clean or clear movement to the downside in these previous weeks. But at the moment, we can see Bitcoin is actually gaining some sort of momentum at the moment. Let's go to the daily time frame to see things a little more. Now, on the daily time frame, clearly we had price eventually pushed to the upside, which led to us taking, even though we are trading inside of a range, we can clearly see we took out this previous high that pushed price to the downside, although we expected price to eventually take out this low, and then hopefully we continue to 34k, but that did not happen. We saw price eventually came here, got to this point, reacted, and now we've taken out this high, creating a new high inside of the range. And as you can see clearly, we had this daily demand, which price made its way into right here and has respected as a stand. So automatically, I won't be wrong to say we are paying attention to this move right here, this high, this low right here, this demand zone, to this weekly supply zone, which we believe price should be reacting from anytime soon. Now, what am I looking forward to do? At the moment, I'm looking to still buy BTC USD. I'm looking to buy BTC USD. Let me remove this and move things into the point I would like to be paying attention to. So now we are paying attention to this demand zone right here to buy from, and I'll be looking to buy off this demand zone. Also, I would not cease to state that there is a base inside of this push, this overall push right here, this whole push that we have seen right here, this whole push to the upside into this weekly supply zone. There is a base which is right here, and luckily I like where this base is located, which is right at the break where we had a shift to continue to the upside. Because if you look clearly, you find out that price did something like this, then we came here, this, and then we got pushed to the downside, created another high, and then we took out the previous low before we eventually had our shift to the upside. So I'll be looking at price pulling back. As we can see now, we're already getting a reaction, but we don't know if we are going to get a bearish day today. So if we get a bearish day today, I'll be looking to sell. We'll go to the 4-hour time frame and I'll show you clearer what I'll be looking. So if on the 4-hour time frame we have something like this, I'll be looking to sell back into, I'll be looking to sell into point like this point right here. I'll be looking to sell into this point right here. So from this point right here, I'll be looking for opportunity to continue to the upside from either this base or this lower or extreme demand zone that started this major push to the upside and took us into this weekly supply. So on Bitcoin right now, I would say I'm bullish short term, although because I don't want to make any obvious statement, looking at the technicals before us, I'm still looking to buy because right here we have our shift. We've taken out this point here, we've taken out this point here. So we would expect that if price make its way to any of these two demand zone that we've marked, we're looking to buy. But on the 4 hour, let's go to the 4 hourly. Let's see whether we have anything that we could work with on the 4 hour time. All right, on the 4 hour time frame, we don't really have a clean price action because if we look at right here, this is our swing. We had price push from, let's just start from this point. So we had our low, we had a high created here, then we created a low. This is a low and this was the high, and presently it is not wrong to say we've not gotten a candle close above because this is the high here. If you go to the 1 hour, you see I believe this was caused by news. So this is a high, this is the low right here. So it means we've not had a candle close above, even though we've tapped into that weekly supply and we are seeing some sort of reaction. Personally, what I would like to see is I would like to see BTC probably react off anywhere around here or even low here, enter, go up back into that weekly supply zone. That's this supply zone right here. I like to see it move even deeper into this supply zone, which is right here, something like this. So if we move in and then we eventually get something of this sort, I would look to go short from this point. So I'll go to the lower time frame, probably the 1 hour 50 minutes, to look for shorting opportunity from that 1 hour level of supply, either around here, and then I'll look to take price to the downside. So that's basically what I'll be looking at BTC USD. So on BTC USD at the moment, I'll be looking for opportunity if price choose to respect this weekly supply zone that is right here. If price chooses to respect it, I'll be looking to look for shorts off this zone to the downside. While if price eventually choose not to give us, because it's possible for price to do most of all what I've just said and still we don't get an entry, but if we eventually make our way down into any of these two demand zones that I've highlighted right here, I will equally be looking for an opportunity to go long if price presents any. So I'll be looking for opportunities to go long if price presents any of such opportunity to us. So basically that is what I'm looking at on BTC USD. I'll be waiting and sitting closely on my hand, watching what the price action is going to present to us, after which I'm going to make my decision on what to do, which trade to take. All right, with this all already being said, please remember to subscribe, don't forget to like, also share these videos to your friends, also tell people about the channel, and let's grow together and let's improve together. Also, do not forget to join our Telegram channel. In that Telegram channel, from now on, I'll start dropping trade setups I'm looking at and what I eventually think about those setups. Also, do not miss the other videos that will be coming out today. That will be our outlook, weekly midweek outlook for we're looking at the DXY, we'll be looking at the euro, we're looking at the pound, and we're looking at the chef, including crude oil. All right, with that being said, once again, subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.